Today's pipe welding operations involve a greater variety of pipe sizes, materials, and special requirements than ever before. While the applications can be quite diverse, nearly all of them can be performed more effectively using automatic orbital welding systems from ARC Machines Incorporated. Leading companies and dozens of industries depend on ARC Machines' automated welding systems for repeatable high-quality weld, a low cost per weld, and fast job turnarounds. ARC Machine systems offer outstanding performance for outside diameter welding, inside diameter welding, spiral cladding, and many highly specialized operations in a complete range of pipe diameters, wall thicknesses, and materials. AMI orbital welding features the gas tungsten arc welding process, also known as TIG welding. The welding torch is contained in a rugged and durable weld head, which is operated remotely by one of AMI's computer-controlled power supplies. AMI's automated welding systems achieve superior weld quality by maintaining precise control over key welding variables. The ability to weld within strict parameters also makes AMI welds predictable and repeatable, thereby significantly reducing costly reworks. ARC Machines customers can depend on high-quality welds performed quickly, accurately, and consistently, regardless of pipe diameter, wall thickness, or material. That's why AMI systems are used extensively for critical pipe welding applications, like nuclear component manufacturing or repair, where manual welding is not practical or possible. Even where manual welding is possible, AMI systems can provide higher quality welds, a lower cost per weld, and faster turnarounds. Even more dramatic improvements are possible on jobs where physical access to the weld zone is severely restricted. AMI manufactures the widest range of automated orbital weld heads for pipe welding applications. The compact Model 81 requires minimal clearance and mounts and dismounts quickly in about 30 seconds. While welding, it provides the operator with a clear view of the torch, and with AMI's heads-up display remote pendant, the operator can monitor the weld and the weld parameters simultaneously for unmatched convenience and efficiency. Complementing the Model 81, AMI's versatile 95 series open frame weld head can be used for both fusion or filler wire welding applications. The open frame design allows extremely rapid mounting and dismounting, and a self-centering clamp means the 95 series requires no additional tooling to weld its entire range of pipe diameters. Ideal for the field or fab shop, the 95 series welds standard weld preps, square butt preps on thin walls, and socket welds. AMI's Model 79 series weld head's unique integral clamping system gives each weld head the ability to adjust for different pipe and tubing diameters in seconds, thereby eliminating the requirement for specific guide rings. These weld heads are compatible with a variety of joint designs, such as J-prep and square butt. The Model 79 series weld heads are full-function heads with ABC, oscillation, and wire feed capability. ARC Machines Model 15 large diameter weld head is designed for pipe sizes from 3-inch to any diameter, including flat plate. With dozens of possible configurations, the Model 15 can be outfitted to handle almost any large diameter pipe welding challenge. Like all AMI weld heads, the Model 15 features AMI's exclusive dual motor, zero backlash gear drive. This proprietary drive system achieves consistent travel speeds uphill or downhill in all positions, helping to ensure superior weld quality. The Model 52 weld head was designed for high deposition circumferential and flat welding in heavy industrial and harsh field applications. This precision weld head provides a durable, extremely versatile, heavy-duty platform for using a variety of torch options. The AMI narrow gap torch is ideal for narrow and vessel welding, with less heat input and shorter weld times than conventional narrow gap equipment. The compact torch design simplifies operation so that no special training is required for operators familiar with AMI equipment. The Model 43 weld head brings ease and versatility of AMI operation to inside diameter welding at a broad range of pipe diameters. Weld setup and monitoring are optimized by easily manipulated controls and a direct view camera system. Another specialized weld head is the Model 94 small bore spiral ID cladder. The Model 94 lays down a continuous spiral of uniform cladding in small diameter safe end applications, vessel nozzles, and stud hole restorations. The AMI Model 2 is used in factory applications requiring high productivity in-place welding systems. This modular heavy-duty weld head is highly configurable and can be integrated into a system including positioners, side beams, welding lathes, and seamers. For maximum versatility, all AMI weld heads can be used with any of AMI's pipe welding power supplies. Over the years, AMI has also developed and manufactured many custom orbital welding systems for highly specialized projects. AMI was selected for these assignments due in large part to our extensive engineering capabilities. To ensure that AMI orbital welding systems are built to the highest standards, all manufacturing takes place in our modern facility in Pacoima, a suburb of Los Angeles. Every step of the production process, from machining components and building sub-assemblies, to assembling weld heads and power supplies, to testing completed systems, is performed in our own facility to ensure 100% compliance to the highest manufacturing standards. All AMI products are backed up by AMI customer support, a dedicated group of professionals who provide a full range of after-sales support, including general system training, application-specific instruction, and troubleshooting. Additional support is also available through our worldwide network of offices and factory representatives. When factory sales, service, or technical support is required, AMI personnel can respond to our customers anywhere around the world. AMI automated pipe welding systems offer important benefits which improve operations and save money. High-quality welds, high productivity, fast job turnarounds, low cost per weld, fewer reworks, and improved operator safety. The value of these benefits is multiplied even more by outstanding customer support, which is why leading companies in many different industries worldwide rely on AMI. As we perform for these customers, we'd like to show how ARC machines can perform for you.